This is Jay first time ever using an axe. He about to chop these trees down right here. Put the axe on your shoulder, Jay. Let them see. He a lumberjack now. All right, let's get to it. How you feel about it?
I don't know how you feel about it.
All right, let's go. Let's get to it. Lord Jesus. Woo, boy.
Big tree.
Is this how we supposed to?
This you trying to fight back, I see.
Is this how we supposed to do this?
Whoa.
Come on. Your hardest swing. Hurry up. You got 5 seconds. Look at it.
That's it.
All right, this is Jay first time ever hitting a tractor tire with a sludge hammer. Let's get it. You missed the whole. How you gonna miss this whole tire? Let's do it again. Lord Jesus, let me show you how to do it. Here, record me.
I'm trying to record.
No, hurry, hold on. I'm doing something.
Okay.
Gotta do it under a minute. Hurry up. Pointing at me. Get up in front. Remember I told you. Hold like this. Get the momentum. Just like that. Cut it off. Only thing what I want you to do now, and this is his first time, flip this tire all the way down to the ditch. And I do it back.
Easy.
Easy?
Easy.
Why you say it's easy for?
Man, it's just a tire. How heavy can it be?
Let's see.
Huh? Oh my God, what? No, tires aren't supposed to be this heavy. Wait, I learned a little trick.
No, not pull. You got to flip it from the side you was on.
I can get it stronger.
Well, your form is so terrible.
Just get it stronger. What? Come on, tires aren't supposed to be this heavy.
You said it was easy.
I must have been living under a rock. This is not an animal.
Why are you trying to push it? You got to flip it.
This is not a... Everything just hates me now, man. The car hates me.
Let's get it.
You and me, tire. You and me. Nope, not again.
All right, come on. One more. Hurry up. Oh, you going to hurt your back. You was going to hurt your back.
Get over.
Come on. No pain. Come on, again. Hurry up.
I'm about to hurt my back.
Yes, you are. I'm going to show you your form after you do it. Come on, you got it.
My foot.
Hurry up. 7 seconds. Come on. What you doing?
My foot is stuck.
Come on, Jay. Jay, come on. No pain. What we say? No pain.
No pain.
Come on. Don't lift your back up until you come up with the tire. So you did it anyway. Come on, we got 30 seconds. Bruh. Appreciate it, bruh. Come on, man.
Okay. If I break my wrist.
Hurry up.
Just...
You ain't flipped one in 45 seconds. There we go.
My kneecap.
There we go. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Flip it over. There we go. What's crazy?
Me getting into a tire.
All right, come on.
You're serious about this, aren't you?
Yeah.
Do you understand how dizzy? Okay, you know what? Fine. If I get dizzy, that's your fault.
Now have your back towards me.
Your back.
So get in that way.
I'm gonna be so dizzy, man.
No, you're not. That's what we used to do as kids.
I cannot fit. My butt is too big.
Put your feet in there. Just you got it. It's rubber. There you go. And put your feet up.
Ah! I'm about to get stuck.
No, you're not. Trust me. He's in the tire. He's in the tire. You ain't gonna-
Someone help!
Just don't have your hands out while you're rolling.
Why?
Because you don't want it might fall over. And you don't want to hurt your hand. Okay, here we go.
I can take the phone from the inside and record.
You want to do
Recording? I'm recording. Woo! Ah! Ah! Neil! Neil, why are you doing this? No, Neil, no! Neil, no! Oh, ah, Neil! Get me out of here! Father in heaven! Oh, God!
All right, come on, get out.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Let me start laughing first. Oh, my ribs is hurting. Oh, my ribs is hurting. Oh my God. Put one leg out. There you go.
I'm done.
Oh, my ribs is hurting, boy.
Ah, my side, my crotch. Oh,
Oh,
my crotch is.
oh,
Ah!
oh, oh.
You just hurt my crotch and up under.
I haven't had a laugh like this.
And I only have to change the clothes.
Oh, you cool.